All right, we are all set. Sorry, folks. Let me get just organized here. All right, so the Scots are down 1-0 at 12:54 in the first. Woodbury able to get the shot off. And we're going to freeze the puck here. Shot attempt just misses the net. Puck ends up back in the corner. Amadad pushes it out, ends up in Woodbury's hands. They're working to keep the zone. Cavernan dumps it in. Woodbury pushes it back out. Amadad going on the defense in the corner. Bradford pushes it out. Ship Bank passes it up to Bradford. Puck is currently neutralized. Both teams battling for the puck. We got a neutral zone breakout here from Woodbury. They're going to dump and go on a chase. Sean McMullen blows a tire back behind the net. Woodbury ends up with it. Both teams battling for control. Puck up set at the point. Ship ends up with it. He's going to dump it. We're going to get an icing call here on the Scots. Rust on the draw. Shot attempt is blocked. Both teams battling in the corner. McMullen picks it up, pushes it up to Rust. Rust banks it. Woodbury able to keep the zone. Rust comes out in the corner. Ooh, he just misses control of it. Puck ends up on net. We got a freeze by Axelson. Puck ends up out at the point for Woodbury. They take a shot. Oh, and they got a rebound goal there. Woodbury wins the draw. They're going to go in on the rush. Puck ends up in the slot. Shot from the point is saved by Axelson. We got Bradford on the draw. Woodbury wins the face-off. Leo Kirsch goes after it. Great pressure. Woodbury forced to dump it in. They're going to battle along the back boards. Woodbury going around, making control, working the outside. Their shot is blocked by the Scot. Second shot attempt misses wide of the net. Kirsch able to pick it up at the blue line, pushes it up to Warner. Warner carries in the zone. His shot is blocked by Woodbury. They're able to bank pass it out. We're going to have to get tagged up here. Bittens picks it up. His shot on net is saved by the Woodbury goalie. Puck ends up leaving the zone. Winkleman pushes it to Olsen. Olsen tries to get it into the zone. Looks like we're going to get a line change here for the Scout. Maybe not. Currently there's 9 minutes, 39 seconds to go in the first period. Score is 0-2. Woodbury has the lead. Woodbury dumps it in. They're going in on the pursuit. Winkleman is putting pressure on behind the net. Bittens picks it up. Passes it up to Ship. Ship gets a skate on it and pushes it in the zone. Woodbury able to clear the zone, and they're going in on the rush. Scott's unable to stop the pursuit. Puck ends up behind the net. Olsen looking for his opportunity to pass. He chips it out of the zone. Bittens goes on the chase. Puck ends up coming out. We're going to have to tag up here. Scott's looking for a change. We got Russ back out on the ice. Tilson banks it up. We're going to get an icing call here. We got Rust on the draw. Johnson able to kick it away. Woodbury able to get the shot, saved by Axelson. Got Rust at the dot here. Scott's able to win that draw. Ends up in Amadad's hands. He banks it up the boards and it ends up getting deflected and up in the rafters. So we're going to try that one more time. Scots win the draw, but it ends up switching to Woodbury quickly, and they got the shot off. Woodbury pushes it up to the point. Johnson picks it up. Nice pass to Rust. Rust not able to get his stick on it. Johnson goes on the chase. Trying to disrupt the play here. Kavernen puts it back into neutral ice. Johnson's going to go in on the rush. He's trying to beat the two defenders here. He picks it up in the corner. Nice steal by Johnson. Pushes it to Rust. Johnson goes back on the pursuit. Rust puts it in the slot, ends up in Woodbury's hands. Bradford trying to give a hand here at the boards. Johnson pins it. Nice escape. Oh, a slot grabbed by Woodbury. Bradford takes a shot. It is deflected off a Woodbury player. They're going to carry it out of the zone. McMullen pushes to Olsen. Olsen to Bradford, but we aren't able to maintain control. We do have success getting in neutral ice, and Warner is battling on the boards. Woodbury picks it up. They push it up to the point. That shot is deflected off of Warner and picked up by Kirsch. Kirsch carries it in the zone. Not able to maintain control. Woodbury picks it back up. Bittens out. Oh, we're going to get a high stick here on the Scots. Pushing the face-off down in our defensive zone. Woodbury takes a shot, is deflected, and Axelson able to grab it. Thank you. All right, we got Bittens on the dot. Scots win the draw. Amadad takes it behind the net. He banks it off the boards, ends up in neutral ice. Bittens goes on the chase. Woodbury able to take control. Scott's trying to own the zone. Nice pass from Tilson to Ship, and Ship not quite able to get the shot off. He pushes it up to Kavernen. Kavernen not able to hold the zone. Amadad brings it back to Tilson. Tilson's shot just wide of the net. Kavernen able to save the zone. Pushes the puck back around the net to Tilson. Amadad ends up with it. He's able to get it back to Bittens in the corner. Good pressure by Ship behind the net. Woodbury comes out with it. They're going to, nice steal by Rust. He dumps it in. He's going on the chase. We got Rust Johnson and Little Rust out back on the ice. Johnson able to pick it up in the corner, looking for his opportunity. He's got Rust right in front of the net. He's going to go to the, nice, back to Rust. Oh, nice attempt by Rust to McMullen. Johnson takes a shot from the point, is saved by the Woodbury goalie. Olsen takes a second shot. Oh, good pressure by this line here right now. Olsen pushes it over to McMullen. McMullen's shot on net is deflected. Rust goes into the corner. Scots lose the zone. We're going to get an icing call here on Woodbury. Nice pressure by this line here from the Scots. That's exactly what we need to see here. More of that. All right, we got Bradford out here on the faceoff in our offensive zone. Success with that faceoff ends up back in Olsen's hands. Shot is deflected off a Woodbury skate. Puck is behind the net. McMullen pinches in and is able to save the zone here. Scots kind of lose sight of the puck, and it ends up in Woodbury's hands. They get an opportunity to get a nice regroup breakout here. They're now moved into the zone. They push it up. Tried to get it up to their defender, but it ended up deflecting and out of the zone. They're going to try to go in again on the rush. Disrupted by Kirsch. Pushed in the slot. Nobody home. Scots end up with it out in neutral ice here. Woodbury trying to do a regroup. Warner putting pressure on. Forcing Woodbury to make a move. They're going to bank it into the zone. They lose control. Carvinen picks it up, pushes it to Olsen. Olsen chips it in. It ends up doing a little bit of back and forth here. Woodbury ends up able to dump it back in. Amadad owning behind the net here. Oop. He throws the puck out of play. All right, folks, if you've just joined us, we have 3 minutes, 45 seconds to go in this first period. The Scots are currently down by 2. Bittens on the draw. Woodbury wins that faceoff. Oh, nice sneak shot, but Axelson saw it. Second shot was deflected. Picked up by Carvinen. Ends up in Bittens' hands. Bittens pushes it to Ship. Ship back to Bittens. Bittens goes in for saved. Scott's trying to regain control of the puck after that shot. They're currently battling on the boards. Woodbury comes out with it. Scott's unable to hold the zone. Woodbury going in on the rush. It's picked up by Ship. We got a change over here. He's going to dump it in and get a switch here. Woodbury going in on the rush. They're looking for their pass option. They're holding them to the outside. Johnson picks it up. He's looking for his chance. He gets tangled up. He's trying to find his choice. Gives it to Olsen. Olsen's going to take that shot. Oh, nice shot. Rust there for the deflection. Just couldn't get a stick on it. Puck ends up in Olsen's hands. Nice move by Olsen. Pushes it over to Johnson. Johnson's shot is just high of the net. Olsen trying to gain control. He pushes it to Johnson. Johnson picks it up. He's going to go to Rust. Rust picks it up. We got two Rusts out here on the ice right now. Oh, attempted pass to Johnson is deflected. Johnson's going to get a line change here. Both Rust boys on the boards. Woodbury comes out with it. Olsen shoots it out of play. We've got Bradford on the draw. Woodbury wins the face-off. They're going to dump it in deep and get an icing call. We're going to get an offensive zone face-off here. Bradford at the dot. Oh, they're going to make him switch out. Got a little too feisty in there. All right, we got Warner here on the dot. Woodbury wins the draw. Warner attempts to shoot the puck towards the net, and it's shy. He's able to hold the zone. He pushes it back into the corner. Scots lose sight of the puck, and Woodbury is able to capitalize on that. They're going in on the rush. Nice defense by Kavernen and Amadad. Woodbury is able to come out with it, but oh shoot, they just scored. The score is currently 3-0 in favor of Woodbury. We have 1 minute to go in the first. Rust wins the draw, but we aren't able to maintain control. Woodbury comes out with it. Puck ends up in neutral ice. Rust goes on the chase. Johnson's able to grab it. He's looking for his chance. He pushes it up to little Rust. Rust is going to carry it in the zone. He's looking for his opportunity. Pushes it back to Olsen. Olsen's shot. Oh, nice shot. Sneaks through. He's able to hold the zone. Puck ends up back in the corner. Johnson and Rust battling for it. Puck ends up in Woodbury's hands. Johnson not able to stop him from exiting the zone here. Woodbury scores again. That one just squeaked by Axelson. Keep an eye on it. Thank you. All right, that's the end of our first period, folks. Thank you so much. We will be right back with you. Isn't it usually up there? No, we're not putting it up there. I got here early for this seat, and it's right in the way. Well, we're in the way of the live bar. So when we go up there, we're in the way of another broadcast. I didn't know you All right, folks, both teams are just entering the ice again for our second period. Scots are currently down by 4. We got a lot of digging out to do here. All right, we got Tommy Rust on the draw here. Woodbury is able to come out with it. They're pushing up a neutral ice. They're able to get the zone. Scott's able to put some quality defense in play here and move it out towards the boards. Shot hits the net, saved by Axelson. Olsen picks it up, does a bank pass behind him. Scott's trying to get control of it. Johnson picks it up in the corner. He pushes it to McMullen. McMullen attempts to get to Rust. It is stolen by Woodbury. Scott's battling for control here in our defensive zone. Olsen pins the Woodbury player on the board. Bradford goes into for support. He picks it up, looking to get it up the boards. He banks it. Woodbury picks it up. They're going to dump it back in. Woodbury getting a change here. Olsen banks it. Johnson attempts to grab it. He needs a switch here. Oh. Amadad just got hurt coming off the boards. Looks like Woodbury just scored again. Looks like we got an injury here on in our boards or in our bench. Amadad tried to get on the ice and something happened as he was entering and he hurt his arm. So we got to pause here in the game. I don't know if he got a skate to the arm or what happened. 8 caught his eye. Yeah, I think that's what happened. All right, we got Bradford at the dot. Woodbury comes out with it. They do a DDD pass with nice steal by Warner. Warner's shot is just high of the net. Puck ends up in neutral ice. Scott's trying to do a neutral zone breakout. Warner picks it up. He's looking for that shot opportunity. He banks it off the pads, and Leo Kirsch just not there to take that rebound shot. Woodbury able to regroup, and they push it back to their point. Attempted shot is missed, and puck goes out of play here. We're going to get a defensive zone face-off here. Woodbury wins the draw. The puck is deflected by Evan Ship, who goes down. He's gonna get off the ice here. He's got a stinger, I'm guessing. Rust is gonna go out into his place. Woodbury attempts a long pass and they miss it. Puck ends up in the zone corner. Bittens grabs it. He banks it up to Tilson. Tilson tries to get his hands on it, but Woodbury is able to pick it up. Will pushes it in the zone. Rust and Bittens goes on the pursuit here. Bittens trying to gain control. He dumps it in. Johnson goes in on the chase. He's going to get a penalty here. They're going to give him a tripping call. Johnson got a penalty for 2 minutes. Scott. We got Rust here at the dot. Woodbury wins the draw. They've got it at their point. They're working the outside currently. Shot is saved, ends up in the netting here. We've got both Rust brothers out with, looks like Karvinen and Olsen for defense. Olsen able to clear the zone. Woodbury currently working the outside. They're going in for the shot. Saved by Axelson. Woodbury working the outside. Point is deflected by, looks like Amadad's back on the ice, so he must have got patched up. Nice block by Rust. Currently 1 minute to go in the PK. Save by Axelson. All right, we got Bradford at the dot. Woodbury comes out with it. Amadad able to keep it in the corner. Puck ends up in the point. Sorry, we had a little buffering there, folks. We have 30 seconds to go here in this PK. Woodbury working the outside. Nice steal by McMullen. He pushes it to the boards. His attempt to clear the zone did not have, there was a hand pass there. We're going to end up with the offensive zone face-off. We'll take it. 12 minutes, 15 seconds to go in the second period. 19 seconds to go in our PK. Woodbury enters the zone. 5 seconds to go in this PK. Shot is saved. We're back to full strength, folks. Rust goes on the chase, putting pressure on. Rust ends up with it, pushes it up to his brother. He finds open space. Woodbury comes out with it. Olsen to Johnson. Johnson trying to get his hands on it. He's going to take it around the net. He pushes it to Karvinen. Karvinen pushes it up to Rust. Rust trying to get a piece of it. Oh. Johnson pushes in the slot, nobody home. Woodbury carries it to neutral ice, and it is stopped by Olsen, and he ends up pushing it out of the over the boards. So we're going to get a new face-off. We got Wallace in the game here for his first shift. He's playing center. Both teams battling behind the net here for control. Woodbury comes out with it. Amadad picks it up. He's looking for his opportunity. Instead of giving a pass to Kirsch, he dumps it in. Warner putting pressure on here, trying to get control. Woodbury able to get it into the zone. They push up the slot. Nobody home there. Both teams battling on the boards. Winkleman gets it to Amadad behind the net. It ends up back in Woodbury's hands. Shot is deflected off Amadad's skate. Bitten's able to grab it, pushes it up to Kirsch. Woodbury able to steal it away. They push in the slot, ends up in Warner's hands. He makes the steal, pushes it to Kirsch. Kirsch able to get it in the zone, but not able to get control. Woodbury comes back out with it. They're able to take it out. They're going in on the rush. Easy save by Axelson. Scots win the draw. Puck ends up in Johnson's hands. He pushes it back behind the boards. Tries to get it up to Rust. The Scots just having a hard time getting control of this puck here. Russ battle on the boards. He comes out with it, pushes it up, but Woodbury able to grab it. Olsen picks it up in the slot. He escapes to the boards here. Johnson tries to get a piece of it at the point. It ends up in Russ' hands. He gets it to, looks like we've got McMullen. He's able to enter the zone. Woodbury picks it up. Johnson battling for it in the slot. Woodbury able to enter the zone again. Their shot is saved by Axelson. Woodbury's shot is saved. Nice. Both the shot and rebound saved by Axelson. Puck ends up on the boards. Ends up in Woodbury's hands again at the point. Shoot. Axelson makes the save. Wallace comes out with it. Passes it to Ship. Wallace is looking for a pass back. The right idea. Ship ends up with it. Scott's just having a hard time gaining access to the zone here. Amadad, he's going to dump it. Tilson tries to get a piece of it, but I think, okay, they're going to wave off the icing call here. Oh, nice. Shot by Karvinen and attempted tip by Tilson. Just couldn't quite make it. Woodbury dumps it in, and they put it on net here. They're not able to maintain control. We're getting an icing call here on the Scots. Nice. Oh, shoot. That actually went in the net. Wow. That just snuck right under Axelson's armpit. Dang it. Scots are currently down by 6 goals. Got 6 minutes to go in the second period. Shots on goal are currently 23 Woodbury, 4 Scots. Scots come out with control after the faceoff here. Leo Kirsch enters the zone. Puck is stolen from him. Both him and Warren battling in the corner. Woodbury comes out with it. They're going to break out here, dump it in. Oh, looks like we got the net is off here. We got Rust here at the dot. Puck ends up in our offensive zone here. Johnson goes and puts pressure on, along with Rust. Cavern able to hold the zone. Looks like, oh, I think the puck hit the netting here on the side, so we're going to get another face-off. Scott's battling for control. Woodbury able to tackle the neutral zone. They're able to get it in, but not able to maintain control. Puck ends out in neutral ice again. Both teams fighting. Tommy Rust banks it up against the boards. Rust goes on the chase. Stolen by Tommy. Johnson gets control. He's looking for an option. Tries to push it to Tommy, and Woodbury's able to pick it up. Puck ends up on net, and Rust picks it up. Both teams battling behind the net here. Nice save by Axelson. Biddens puts it to Johnson. Johnson tries to push it to Ship, but he's not able to grab it. We're going to get an icing call. All right, we got Biddens on the draw here. We've got a defensive zone face-off. We got Ship and Tilson out. Scott's come out with control. Tilson pushes it. Oh, nope. Woodbury was able to get a piece of it. Puck is chipped out by Caverton. Ends up in neutral ice. Biddens goes on the chase here. Nice steal by Olsen. Banks it off the boards. He's going in for an option. He's got Biddens in the slot. His shot is saved. Cavernen's going to take a chance. It is deflected off a skate. Oh, we're going to high stick here on Olsen. Scots win the face-off. They attempt to pass it up to the wing here, and Woodbury intercepts it. Now we're battling for control. Woodbury able to push it up to the point. Shot is wide of the net. Olsen looking for his opportunity. He's going to carry it. Shot on net is saved. Oh, shoot. Woodbury able to pick it up, and they're going in on a 2-on-1 here. Nice save by Axelson. Poke check by Warner, able to keep disrupting the play here, keeping them from progressing forward. Woodbury dumps it in, goes in on the chase. Got Olsen and McMullen working behind the net. McMullen picks it up. He pushes it up. Attempted pass to Warner is picked off. Shot is saved. Two blocked shots by Warner and Olsen. Kirsch tries to take it through the neutral ice, but it is picked up. Now Woodbury goes in. They're able to get the shot rebound for their sixth goal. Russ comes out with the puck. He carries it in. Russ looking for his opportunity in the slot. Woodbury picks it off. Both defenders keep the Woodbury player. Yeah. Wow. Okay, well, they're taking both players to the box. Woodbury pursued Johnson. Johnson just got pinned on the board, so I'm not really sure why that is. They called them both for holding. So I'm guessing we're going to get a coincidental here. Still 5-on-5. Got Wallace on the draw. Woodbury comes out with the win on the face-off. They dump it around the net. We got Pizzega out here. Jacob able to clear the zone. We got Cal Rickson out on the ice as well. I think these are the first shifts for these gentlemen today. Wallace looking for an opportunity for a breakout pass. He ends up losing the puck. Puck pushed through the slot. We're going to get a defensive zone face-off here. Got Bittens on the draw. Woodbury wins the face-off. All right, that's the end of our second period, folks. Score is 7-0 in favor of Woodbury. We will see you back in a few minutes for the third period. All right, folks, we will be getting started here with our third period. We're down by 7, so I'm not sure we're going to get a W today, but maybe we can get a couple goals in this third period to shorten up the distance of this game here. Looks like we're switching up our goalie. We've got Emery Batt in net for the third period. We got Rust at the dot with Charlie and Warner here in for Johnson starting this line here. McMullen dumps it in. Warner goes in for some pressure. Puck is dumped back in by Olsen. Just so that everyone knows, when there is a 7-goal lead, we do have running time. Olsen battling for the puck behind the net, looking for his option. He does a high bank up to Rust in neutral ice. A little bit difficult for him to grab. McMullen lays a hit at the blue line. Shot goes in the net. We got an 8-0 game. Scots come out with a win on that face-off. They pushed it up the boards here. Woodbury able to gain control and get it into the zone. However, Scots were able to pick it up. They're currently battling for it behind the net, looking for their opportunity. Puck ends up in Kirsch's hand. He pushes it to Wallace. Wallace carries it out of the zone. Both teams battling in neutral ice here. Wallace picks it up. He's going to dump it. Got Bittens on the draw here with Ship and Tilson. Woodbury able to carry it out. Will challenging him, keeping him to the outside. shot is slowed, but ends up out of the rink here into the stands. We're going to get a face off here. Scott's battling in the corner. Trying to gain control. Ship's got it. He banks it off the boards. Puck ends up going down. We're getting an icing call here on the Scots. Scots just really struggling today to gain good control and puck movement. Struggling to make a pass. A lot of dump and chase happening here. All right, we got Jacob and Cal and Warner here out for our offensive pairing. Woodbury takes a shot. It is saved by Emery. Warner working to get control. Woodbury able to successfully grab control. They're going to go back in on the rush here. They're going to take it deep and look for their option, but Olsen picks it up. He goes in for the steal. Woodbury grabs it again. They're working the outside here. They're not able to maintain control. Rickson goes on the chase here. They're going to get a line change quick, and Woodbury's got the puck. They're also getting a change. So they're taking their time to get set up. Olsen banks it, ends up on net. Rust goes on pursuit. Nice pick by Charlie. Shot is deflected. Woodbury goes in on 3-on-2 Johnson on the back check. Winkleman pushes it to Johnson. Nice pass. Johnson pushes up to Rust. Rust not able to get his stick on it. We're going to end up with an icing call. Dang it. Nice solid pass from Rickson up to Johnson. We need more of those. We get a lot of waffly pucks going up to our wings, and those are hard to control. All right, we got Rust on the dot here. Johnson putting pressure on. Nice poke check by Rust. Ends up in Winkleman's hands. He banks it off the boards. Rust picks it up. He's got his brother right there. He's able to get it. Oh, nice. It ends up in Johnson's hands. Oh, shot banked off the pads of the goalie, and there was nobody home for that rebound. Russ pushes it to his brother. Looks like we're going to line shift here. We've got Bradford, Wallace, Amadad, Will, and Kershaw. Amadad picks up the puck. He dumps it in. Wallace on the chase, putting pressure on behind the net. Woodbury able to maintain control. They move it out of the zone. Will keeps it from getting into the slot area, but not able to get control. Kirsch with a little bit of a dangerous pass in front of the net. We were able to get it out. Bradford dumps it in. Kirsch goes on the chase. Puck bends up back out neutral ice, and we're going to end up with a 2-on-1 here, folks. Amadad, nice poke check from Emery, and Amadad was able to slow the progression, and Emery was able to poke it away. We got Ship, Tilson, Bittens, McMullen, and Olsen on the ice right now. Bittens on the dot. Scots end up winning that face-off. Puck ends up in the corner. Unfortunately, Woodbury comes out with it. They end up getting it at the point here. Scots trying to get a piece of it. McMullen battling in the corner. Bittens goes in to support. Ship able to clear the zone here. Puts the puck on net. Woodbury carries it in. They're currently working the boards here. They bring it back deep into the zone. Working behind the net. They do a pass from behind, and they end up at the point. They're doing a little bit of nice cycling here. Scott's giving them time to work on that. Scott's trying to clear the zone. Oh, we end up with the puck in the netting here. Puck shot was deflected. We got Warner at the dot here with Rickson and Pozaga out on the ice. Both teams battling for control. Puck ends up out at the Woodbury's point. They're able to make a move, but not able to get control. Carvinen picks it up. He's going in. He's got his shot misses the net. And we're going to end up with a 2-on-1 here for the Woodbury team, and Emery is able to glove that puck and keep that pursuit from progressing. We got 6 minutes to go here in the third period. Carvinen picks it up. He's looking for his chance. Passes, deflected. Johnson picks it up. He doesn't escape. He ends up blowing a tire. Oh. Woodbury stealing sticks. Their shot is doesn't quite hit the net. Johnson picks it up. He's got Rust out at the point. He's going to go for that long pass. Rust picks it up. We've got a 2-on-2 here. Tommy pushing into the slot, looking for his option. Johnson grabs it. He's not able to get full control over it. Rust on a back check. Nice back check by Rust. Johnson to Amadad. Amadad's going to carry it in. He's got Rust there with him. Woodbury able to pick it up. They're going to carry it out of the zone. They're going to dump it in deep here. We've got Will trying to get the corner here. Bradford in for support. Woodbury comes out with it. They push it in the slot. Puck just shy of the net. Puck is dumped up the boards. Shot misses the net. Woodbury looking for their options. Will poke checks it away. We got a whistle here. Oh, we're going to get a penalty on, looks like Woodbury. Wow, Scots are getting their first power play of the game here. We got 4 minutes to go in this period, folks. 4 minutes to go in the game. They got Rust at the dot. Woodbury able to, we got Johnson battling with a two on one here. Nice play by Johnson. He ends up in the corner with it. He's trying to gain control. Nice. Johnson comes out with it, pushes it up to Olson. Olson not able to get a stick on it. Olson looking for a chance. Pushes it to Rust. Rust to Johnson. Johnson's going to carry it in the zone. He does an escape play. Nice move by Johnson. Shot on net. Oh, attempted rebound by Rust, just shy. Woodbury able to clear the zone here. Scott's going to try it again. Olson's going to give it to Johnson to pick it up. Johnson's going to carry it. He's going to bank it. A nice backhanded pass in the slot. Tilson there, but just couldn't get his hands on it. Johnson stops it. He's got someone in pursuit. He pushes it to Tilson. Tilson's got a chance. Olson has it, gives it to Kavernen. Kavernen's shot is saved. Olson holds the zone, tips it in. Woodbury able to clear. Kavernen picks it up. He's pushing up the boards here. Kirsch is able to gain access to the puck, and he carries in the zone. He pushes it back to Warner. Woodbury able to get their hands on it. They clear it again. We got 7 seconds to go in this power play. 1 minute, 40 seconds to go in the game. That's a... Yep, Woodbury scores. They were able to carry it around the back of the net. They had their point moved low in the slot, and he was able to take that shot right in the corner. They got 1 minute to go and play. Got Wallace at the dot here. Picked up by Rickson. Pushes it to Jacob.